Opened a selling trade in the live market using signal of this indicator, and 26% profit was earned in just a couple of minutes. In this video, I want to show you the best tradable strategy of YouTube. This is one of my personal strategy. I've spent lots of time and energy making it. Using this strategy, you'll get continuous profits provided that you properly manage your fund. You reach win rate above 90% if you do all 4 conditions of the strategy. So keep focusing here with me not to lose even a single tip. Let's go to the trading chart to perfectly teach this unique strategy. Well, this indicator you see in the chart works with all divergences. Yellow signal shows buying trade and the red ones show selling trade. The first condition is that you can trade with this single indicator and this alone is enough. Here, you see the indicator has been able to detect up to 5 divergences, that the most important ones are MACD and RSI. Okay, let's go experiment some trades with this indicator in its default condition. Here at this place, 5 indicators have simultaneously detected negative divergence. Since MACD and RSI are their validity of divergence is more and it's clear we're having a heavy decline ahead. So you saw that we did several correct trades with this divergence, but in order to avoid probable losses, we don't risk and go for the second condition of the strategy. Doing so, I add EMA indicator to the chart, adjust its settings like me. Well, the second condition is like whenever the direction of EMA line was upwards and the candlesticks were moving above the EMA, this means the market will encounter a rising trend, and whenever candlesticks are close to 200 EMA line as well as indicator shows signal of positive divergence, we enter buying trade. Here, bullish candlestick has been closed above the 200 moving line and the indicator gives signal of positive divergence. Thus, considering these conditions, this buying signal plus this selling signal aren't valid. At this place, positive divergence has been given by 5 indicators and conditions are met. At this spot, positive divergence has been detected by the indicator. So now let's go see some examples in falling trend. Over here, candlesticks stand under the 200 EMA line and the direction of EMA is downwards. You can also see here that candlesticks are close to 200 EMA and at the same time negative divergence has been detected by the indicator. This position gave 9 risk to reward ratio. I'll do some more selling trade examples. When a positive divergence appears aligned with the direction of the trend gets rising, we don't open any selling trade until candlesticks hit the 200 EMA. Let's give it a try on gold chart. On a 15 minutes time frame, the trend is rising here and gold price is on up of EMA line. So we're committed to open buying position with every positive divergence. You're observing that all trades were closed, including profit. Now we're heading Bitcoin chart to experiment this strategy on as well. Bitcoin chart on a 15 minutes time frame. Since trend is going up and candlesticks are moving above the EMA, we're allowed to enter trade only in positive divergence. At this spot, the price has hit 200 EMA line and there's no signal. Look at here, Bitcoin chart time frame is on 1 hour, indicator has identified the divergence right on the top of the trend and given selling signal. The third condition of the strategy is that whenever the candlesticks get too distant from the 200 EMA line and simultaneously if indicator gives negative divergence signal, in this case we can enter selling trade. Because 200 EMA works like a magnet and attracts candlesticks towards itself when they get too far from, this attraction is totally visible on 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to GBP USD chart to show you so. I put time frame on 1 hour. Here, candlesticks have gotten too distant from 200 EMA line along with the indicator has identified 5 negative divergences at the same time, and you see how fast 200 EMA line has attracted candlesticks towards itself. Thus, we're allowed to open a selling position because all conditions are met here. Let's step on the third condition of the strategies, showing with signal of positive divergence. Now let's get going to the fourth and the most important condition. This condition is a style of strategy which is fully flawless. First of all, we put time frame on 1 hour, then we specify resistance and support levels using a line. After doing so, we change time frame to 15 minutes. Now, wherever support and resistance levels gave signal of divergence, we enter trade. Here is resistance level. An indicator has detected 4 types of negative divergence. We enter trade and go along until the support level. At this spot, has detected signal of positive divergence right on support level. Here, the price has come close to resistance level of the zone, but since the divergence is highly valid, we can open selling position. I test some trades using this method in order to you see how flawless it works. Let's get a step on the last method of this strategy. This one is different than previous ones and is totally indicator oriented. I add the intended indicator to the chart, search STC here and drop the indicator on the chart. We change settings from its tab, changing 12 to 19 and put fast length on 27. Let's first explain how to get signal from this strategy for selling trade. The first condition is that color of STC line should get changed from green to red and its direction gotta be downwards, and if at the same time indicator detects negative divergence on the chart, we must wait until the bearish candlestick gets closed. Then we're allowed to enter selling trade. Let's go test one example of buying trade as well. At this spot, indicator has identified positive divergence of RSI and STC line has gotten green and its direction is upwards. Therefore, here, both conditions are met and I open a buying position. Then indicator gives signal of divergence. If color of STC line hasn't gotten changed, we wait for 3 candlesticks. Here it has changed to red on the second candlestick, so we have taken permission to enter selling trade. Let's go introduce the main indicator which detected divergences. Type divergence here. Add this indicator of divergence version 4 to your chart. From the indicator settings, we apply changes on it. Changing purple to red. From the style tab, we inactive lines item and keep other settings unchanged. Thanks for following me until the end of the video. Hit the like button if it was helpful. In the next video, I'm gonna show you another wonderful strategy. So turn on the channel ring and be waiting for the next video.